Tired of streaky floors and back-breaking mopping? We've tested the top models to bring you the 5 best mops of 2025 that make floor cleaning effortless. These innovative mops feature self-wringing technology, built-in spray systems, and 360-degree swivel heads to tackle dirt in half the time. Whether you need deep scrubbing power, hands-free robot mopping, or a lightweight traditional mop, our picks include machine-washable pads and ergonomic designs for comfortable cleaning. Click the link below to find your perfect floor cleaning solution. Let's check out these game-changing mops. Say goodbye to bucket spills and hello to sparkling floors with minimal effort. The 5th product on our list is Yocada Sponge Mop with Brush and Squeegee. If you're partial to sponge mops, we recommend this one from Yocada. It has an absorbent honeycomb sponge and comes with one replacement sponge, a brush attachment for cleaning stubborn grime without scratching your floors, and a squeegee that can be used to clean smooth tile or windows. This mop can be used to soak up minor spills, as well as for cleaning sticky floors after wiping up liquid with a paper towel. There's also an on-unit lever for wringing out the sponge. One minor drawback is that the brush doesn't stay securely on the head, so it's better to use this attachment by hand. The mop is slightly heavier than average, but the extendable handle feels sturdy. Also, the small head is ideal for reaching into tight spaces, and the overall slim design allows for easy storage. Up next in 4th place is the Mr.Siga Professional Microfiber Mop. The Mr.Siga Professional Microfiber Mop stood out for its versatility. It comes with 3 reusable, washable microfiber pads that can be used wet or dry on all types of hard floors with your preferred cleaning solution. The mop was super easy to assemble. All you need to do is clip the pole onto the head and the first cloth is already attached. We were impressed by how absorbent the towel-like microfiber pads are. During our tests, they soaked up virtually all the spilled soda in one swipe. When used as a dry mop, the cloth effortlessly picked up dust and hair from the floor. While the wide head isn't ideal for getting into tighter areas, it spins 360 degrees and is easy to maneuver. This mop also comes with a handy scraper tool for removing hair and other debris after dry mopping. The 3rd product on our list is the JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket with Wringer set. We also like the JOYMOOP Flat Mop. This one is very lightweight with a relatively compact flat head that spins 360 degrees, perfect for accessing tight corners, and comes with 4 washable microfiber cloths, along with a self-cleaning bucket system. The mop doesn't have a scrubbing mechanism for tackling stuck-on grime, but the soft pads do a good job of removing stickiness and food residues after wiping up a spill, as well as general cleaning after vacuuming. You can also use it to wash windows and walls or as a dry mop to collect dust and pet hair. We like that the bucket has 2 chambers, one for clean water and one for wringing out the mop, with a built-in scraper that removes hair and dirt. You have to hold the bucket down with your foot to remove the mop head after scraping, but this isn't a big deal once you get the hang of it. And the head stashes inside the bucket for convenient storage. The 2nd product on our list is the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Blaster Mop. Steaming is an excellent way to deep clean and disinfect household surfaces and fabrics using heat and water only. No solution needed. Once you add water to the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Blaster, it heats quickly and starts generating steam. Then you can run it along your floors while the dual spinning heads gently scrub at 150 rotations a minute. This electric mop did an impeccable job during our tests, leaving the floor looking noticeably cleaner and removing sticky residue following a spill. It seemed to produce just enough hot steam to clean without leaving the floor too wet. The water tank is somewhat small, 11.8 ounces, so you may need to refill it a time or two to clean your entire home. Filling it up is no problem though, as it detaches and snaps back on without a fuss. We love the lightweight and slim design. Thanks to swivel steering and a self-propelled motion that pulls the mop forward, it's a breeze to maneuver. The bright LED headlights are a nice touch too. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, Our top product title name is the True and Tidy TrueClean Mop and Bucket System. True and Tidy may not be a household name yet, but we were thoroughly impressed with the brand's TrueClean Mop. The cleaning kit includes a flat mop with a sturdy adjustable handle and a head that rotates a full 360 degrees. You'll also get 2 reusable machine-washable microfiber pads, plus a bucket with a self-cleaning system. The absorbent pad easily soaked up small liquid spills. With cleaning solution, it removes stickiness and leftover residue after wiping up sauce. The mop also did a stellar job with general cleaning after vacuuming up crumbs. It doesn't overly saturate the floor, and there were no streaks left behind. You can also use a dry pad to dust floors, baseboards, and windowsills. Getting started wasn't very intuitive, so definitely read the instructions first. But the bucket is cleverly designed. It has 2 compartments, one for clean water and the other for dirty water. You repeatedly press down with the handle to spin the mop head and saturate it with water and the cleaning solution of your choice. When finished mopping, you do the same thing, only quicker, to wring out the dirty water and dry the pad. There's also an inlet on top and a drain on the bottom of the bucket for easy filling and emptying. We like how slim and lightweight the mop is. The head is only a 12-inch square, but it stands upright without support and slides into the bucket for compact storage. That's all for our list of the 5 best mops on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.